Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to add indices in Metatrader 5. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Metatrader 5 application on your computer. Once the platform loads, direct your attention to the left side of your screen where you'll find the Market Watch window. This panel displays all the financial instruments available for trading, including currency pairs, commodities, and indices. If you don't see the Market Watch window on the left side, don't worry. Simply navigate to the top menu bar and click on View. From the drop-down menu that appears, click on Market Watch. This will instantly bring up the Market Watch panel on the left side of your trading platform, giving you access to all available trading instruments. Now that you have the Market Watch window visible, right-click anywhere inside this panel. This action will open a context menu with several options for managing your symbols and customizing your trading instruments. From this menu, you'll need to click on Symbols. This opens a comprehensive window where you can browse and manage all the financial instruments available on your Metatrader 5 platform. In the Symbols window that just opened, look at the left side panel. Here you'll see different categories of trading instruments organized by type. Click on Indices to display all the available stock market indices you can add to your Market Watch. This category includes major global indices like the S&P 500, Dow Jones, Nasdaq, and many others from different markets around the world. Now it's time to find the specific index you want to add. For example, let's search for Nasdaq 100. You can either scroll through the list manually or use the search function to quickly locate it. Once you've found Nasdaq 100 in the list, click on it to select it. This highlights the index and makes it ready for the next step. With Nasdaq 100 selected, click the Show Symbol button located in the window. This action adds the index to your Market Watch panel, making it immediately available for analysis and trading. The symbol will now appear in your Market Watch list alongside any other instruments you've previously added. Finally, click OK to close the Symbols window and return to your main trading platform. You've now successfully added the Nasdaq 100 index to your Metatrader 5 Market Watch, where you can monitor its price movements, open charts, and execute trades whenever you're ready. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.